Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about SQL datetime function and PostgreSQL datetime function. Okay, according to ANSI SQL standard, the datetime function are current date, current time, uh, and current timestamp, local timestamp. These are okay. Let's see with the help of example. Suppose select current time. We know that it gives us an time with time, time, time with date, not only time. Yes, time date with time zone. It gives and time with time zone. Okay, current times. Okay, current date gives and date and time. No, it only gives and date. Okay, current time. Suppose current date plus 10. What will be the result? The result is the 10 uh, 10 seconds are added inside the second. That's it. Okay, and current current time, current date with suppose so let us do for current time and plus 10. Then there in current date 10 days were added. In current date 10 days were added. In current time, oh, we cannot add in current time. The current time must be a second will be added if it is work, but it not gonna work. We cannot add to we cannot add integer to time. Okay, that's it. In previous video we have seen that we cannot add time with integer, but we can add time integer with the date. That days will be increased. That's it. Okay, current time stamp. These are SQL functions. Current time stamp. Okay, it return time stamp without time zone. No, it will return time with time zone because there is no function current timestamp tz. Okay, select local time. Local time. Yes, local time is this with 6 precision. Okay, select local timestamp. Local timestamp is without time zone, but the local timestamp is date time. This is only a time without time zone, and local timestamp give us an date time without time zone. We can use precision here because there are 6 precision. This by default. If I use precision with the suppose let's use precision with the time or date. Okay, let's use precision. Now precision is comes with the second, so we need to use it with the time only. Okay, select current date and use precision with the date. Let's see what is the result. Current date with 2, it gives us an error. We know that because precision is a seconds optional part, fractional part. Current time with 2, it gives only a first 2 precision and remaining are zeros. Okay, current time stamp we can write with the current time stamp 2. It gives an correct last 2 only after second 01.48. Okay, current local timestamp. Okay, not current local timestamp. Local timestamp is we can use it with local timestamp. So we can define precision when we are using a time format. Okay, Okay. That's all about these all are SQL date and time function, and the PostgreSQL date and time function are following. Suppose now select, now it gives us an date time, it gives us an timestamp, whole timestamp. Okay, let's see. Now it gives us an timestamp with time zone, a big value. Okay, date, time, precision, and time zone. If I use transaction timestamp is same as now transaction transaction underscore timestamp time transaction underscore this is the function, so it will return us an like this is exactly same as now. Okay, clock timestamp is also there, that it will return a, it will return a timestamp and date, hour, minute, second, timestamp with time zone. This is also same. Mm, okay. Suppose select time of day. Time of a day is their function. Select time of day is the function. Okay. Time of day is Saturday, August, and uh, 14. Saturday, August 14, and the time is 21, 42, 30, and with IST. This return a date in string format. Here you can see that the data type is text. Okay, so we have seen that current date, current time, current timestamp, current local timestamp, and these all are local time and local timestamp. These all are SQL date and time function. And now statement timestamp, transaction timestamp, and clock timestamp, time of day are all PostgreSQL date and time function. That's it. Thank you.